Hi everyone, it's me, Mario. Don't worry, I won't do that again. I forgot to wet my blue. I forgot to wet my beauty blenders basically. One sec. Right, I'm prepared. They're wet now. The video. Okay. I have got some new, quirky, fun, interesting, other cool words products today. I bought new products. I spent my money as always on things I don't need, and I got some new products, so we're gonna go through them today. And also, not every day do we need a pink, a green, a blue, a rainbow. Today I'm gonna tone it down. We're gonna bring it down, and I'm gonna try and do a boring everyday look. Main word being try, attempt, persevere. I got my nails done today. Let me get my shit together.
Boom, 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 boom.
First interesting new, it's not interesting, it's a new product for me, is the Smashbox Reduce Redness, because I always get red like here, 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 and I don't know if it's A, I have a skin problem, B, I've got rosacea, I don't know what that is, but I know it makes your skin go red, or C, my skin's just trash. It's probably C, but anyway, I thought this might be worth having a try. So, oh no, ooh, it's actually green. I don't know what I was expecting it, obviously it's going to be green. Now, I don't know how much, so we'll do that. We'll see what that does. Probably nothing. Maybe primer's a conspiracy. My second new product is Too Faced Hangover Primer. I have a new primer. I'm so dumb. I actually thought this was something to do with your skin when you've had a hangover. Like, that's why I never bought it, because some of us are good Christian girls that don't drink. And when I was actually buying this in the shop for ages, I was doing this. I was like, wow, maybe this will come undone soon. But
You stupid.
I mean, primer's primer at the end of the day. It's not that exciting, is it? And I guess we just rub it all in. Am I insane, or has that just made my face more red? I don't know how much you're meant to put on. Oh well. So, like I said, I went and got my nails done today, and
I'm looking. Boom, 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 boom.
the nail shop I go to, they're Vietnamese. That was hard. And they were like playing music in the nail shop. And it was, I don't know if they're Spanish stands or what, but literally, it was just non-stop Shakira. Like, I know 3 Shakira songs, and one of them has Beyonce in it, so I don't know if that counts. But Shakira's got loads of songs. Like, I was shook, and it got to this point where it's like, if it's one more damn Shakira song, I'm actually going to commit.
Shakira, Shakira.
Despacito. It's been a hot minute since I've sat down and tried to do makeup and speak to you guys. So much has happened in my little life. Well, not so much, not really anything worth telling you, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Actually, hold that thought, stop, pause, because it's time to do brows. And if you're a returning subscriber on this channel, that was gross, I can't do brows. So, I was thinking, I had a little think in my head. Normally I use the Anastasia pomade, but today I'm just going to be using the Wiz. Just so they don't look too in your face, like they're coming at you, bro. Because I want wow brows, but at the moment I have yuck brows. BRB. I know. Hashtag don't hate my brows. Hashtag please be nice. My brows are bad, I know. Do they not look any better? No. Moving on. I might try and do the left hand, whatever it is, like, you know, your hand that's not your hand, the strong hand. Because I find it difficult just to do that with my left hand, like madness. Anyway, story time. I have no life, we know. So, I like going to the cinema a lot. So I went to the cinema 3 times last week. I know, one of them was rude. One of them was by myself. So I was looking at cinema showings and they had Mulan showing, and I love Mulan, I stan Mulan. She's a cutie, we love a strong woman.
Dishonor on you, dishonor on your cow.
The thing is, it's called Movies for Juniors, which I thought just meant that it was like, they're an early showing. Well, it's early for me, it's like 10 in the morning, that's early for me. So I worked the Saturday, the showing was on the Sunday. So I've got up super early, I'm super tired, dragged my fat ass all the way to the cinema, yeah? It's windy, it's raining, hello, it's Britain. And I show him my ticket and he goes, stop, don't go any further. And I'm like, oh no, what have I done? So apparently, this is the most embarrassing thing in my life. To go into a Movies for Juniors, you need to have a child with you. So he's like, do you have a child? I'm like, no sis, I can't even look after myself, let alone a kid. He's like, I cannot let you in to see the showing unless you have a child with you. Honey, I was shook. I was just like, look, it's not busy, let me in.
Let me in. Let me in.
I just want to watch Mulan, don't hate on a sis. Oh no, no, no. He gets his manager, sorry, I have disgusting skin. He gets his manager over and the manager's like, look ma'am. Well, he didn't say it, he said miss. Look miss, I'm sorry, I can't let you in because you need to have a child with you. And I was like, well, I didn't argue the point because I get very scared talking to people. So I was just like, okay, thank you very much, bye, peace out. And I just left. But I was so looking forward just to sitting and watching Mulan. Like literally I sat in my car and I cried because I was like, oh, I just wanted to see Mulan. What the frig am I doing? Powder. So yeah, that was my story time. Thanks for listening. Oh, with new product time, new product number 3. I've brought a MAC mineralized skin finish. Now, I know by the time this comes out, there'll already be another series, well, there probably will be another series, another episode of RuPaul's Drag Race. So I've only seen episode 1. I honestly, like in the promos and that, thought that I was gonna love that silky ganache lady. I cannot stand her. I actually love this blush. This is like my new favourite blush. It's by Morphe. Use code, I don't have one, for no money off. Ooh. New product number 4. That was cool. I got the Max Fix Plus Gold Light. So literally I have the pink one and then I just went and bought the gold one. But look at all the little colours. Look how pretty that is. So I've just put loads of, before I broke it then, I've just put loads of powder on my face. So we're just gonna, you know what I mean? It's done. I need to do like an everyday natural look, you know. We might as well play with the Catfish palette itself, the 24G palette. We know why she's a catfish, because this is what Morphe put up, and then this is what you get. So, which is a shame because I have the 35B palette, which I love. But yeah, this just ain't killing it for me, sis. But we gotta play with it. I brought it. We gotta try it. No crying in the club. Right, so the first colour I'm going to go into will be called Creamer. That's gross. So we're just gonna select our transition colour, you know. I know what I'm talking about. Let's see if this palette was worth it. Even though I'm already a bit I literally look like I've just rubbed coffee grounds on my eyelids. So talented. These are so buff.
Oink, 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 oink.
We've got all our Easter stuff out now, but still. It's like an Oreo egg.
Oink, 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 oink.
You are not going to believe this. One thing I hate with lashes is when they stick them too hard to this. I've literally just pulled that off. So we do not stand Pretty Little Thing. What the frig? Right. We had the hiccup at the beginning. Might have been my fault because my big man hands. But I'm not a man. I just got big hands. But they're actually cute. Like, they're actually cute. So Kovu. I love being interrupted. But yeah, they're cute. I love when lashes like come out at the ends. Like, makes me feel very, you know what I mean? I think I'm gonna go for a gold highlight. I'm gonna go for white, but I might go for gold. Yeah? Yeah. 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 Yeah? Yeah. 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 I used the, it takes me ages to do my lips because I can't do my lips, so be nice. Hold on, my top's like irritating me. There you go. I used Mannequin by Jeffree Star, OVS, you should know that by now. So all that is left is to set this bad boy. Ready, go. Cute. Oh my god, I have the cutest shoes to show you. Look at these cute shoes. I know I have big feet, but yeah, I love these shoes. So yeah, I just want to show you my shoes. Anyway, I'm done. So this is me done. I'm going out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video of me trying to do like a casual everyday look. I need to stop doing that. So yeah, remember to follow me on Instagram and Twitter so I have friends. Okay, bye.